Hey folks, okay, so in this one, what we're going to be looking at is another use case for the Ajax Filter empty options. And this one's going to be that when I click on one of the filters, the active filter, it's going to filter out all the empty values. So if that count returns a 0, it's just not going to show that filter. And to demonstrate that, I'm going to go ahead and click here on accessories, for example. And here you'll see that now we've removed all the categories, my active filter, as well as all the tags and colors that are not relevant to what I clicked on. If I reset my filter again, we'll see that all the categories and all the tags come back. But if I go and click on slops, you'll again see that we are only returning those categories, tags, colors that have a value in them. So let me show you how to do that. Okay, so now I'm here on my form and here is my filter module. I'll go in and edit the settings here. Now, the first setting we are going to be paying attention to is making sure that our filter method, update method, is on change. And then importantly here, update filter count and empty options for clicked item. That's a mouthful, but that needs to be switched on. And now what that does, of course, is that it is tracking this first item that you click on as to be the active filter. Now, the next settings that we're going to need to be looking at here is when we're going into our actual field. So now this is where you're going to be adding the settings for the fields you want to behave in this way. So when I click on categories, I'm going to come down here and I'm going to go to my empty options. In empty options, we want to make sure that we've set the empty filter or show empty filter options is set to no, because of course, if you set that to yes, it's going to show those zeros for you. And the other thing, and this is more of a convenience thing, is to make sure that you're in the checkbox radio, if you have a checkbox radio field, that you are displaying the filter count. Otherwise, how else are people going to know how many options there are? It's a convenience thing, especially when you've got them showing the zeros, but that's not relevant to this example. So that's pretty much how you do it, folks. Now, if you want to see some other use cases as to how you can use the empty filter options in Divi Ajax Filter, definitely go ahead and check out the other videos either on our channel or in the documentation on our documentation site at help.diviengine.com. But that's going to be it from me. I'll catch you in the next one.